around 7 o'clock in the morning. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keep the aisles and decks clear until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please do take care when opening those overhead lockers, as some items may have moved during the flight. All guests will need to clear U.S. Customs and Immigration before collecting checked baggage. And the U.S. Agricultural Service has asked me to make the following announcement. If you fail to declare an agricultural item, you will get an instant fine, and this has to be paid before you are allowed to leave the terminal. And your mobile phones may now be used on board. Please note that the use of mobile phones in customs-controlled areas is strictly prohibited. And ladies and gentlemen, here at Los Angeles Airport, aircraft are commonly towed to the gate. Our aircraft will come to a complete stop so that our tug can be connected, and at that time we do ask once again that you kindly remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain switches that seatbelt sign on. And finally, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with Virgin Australia for your journey today. I'm very tired, obviously. It has been our absolute pleasure taking care of each and every one of you. We certainly hope that you have enjoyed our company today as much as we have enjoyed yours. And on behalf of our Captain, Morgan Lee, myself, Rebecca, and our sensational team of flight and cabin crew, we'd like to wish you a very pleasant